again for welcoming me tonight. I always enjoy visiting restaurants after service ends because everything feels calm and I can really understand the place better.
You are most welcome, Miss Maya. This quiet moment after a busy evening is my favorite time. It is when I can finally breathe and reflect on how the night went.
It must be a relief after so much pressure. The dining room was completely full tonight.
Yes, it was. A full restaurant is wonderful, but it also means every plate must be perfect. My team and I must stay focused every second.
I noticed how organized your kitchen is. Even during the busiest moment, everything looked controlled. That is not easy to achieve.
Thank you. Discipline is very important in a kitchen. Cooking is creative, but it also requires structure. If everyone moves in harmony, the food improves.
Let us talk more about the dishes. I already told you how much I enjoyed the roasted tomato soup, but I want to understand your ingredient choices. Where do you get your produce?
Most of our vegetables come from local farmers. I visit the market personally 3 times a week. Fresh ingredients are the heart of good cooking. If the ingredients are excellent, I do not need to do too much to them.
That explains the freshness. I could really taste the natural sweetness of the tomatoes. Do you change your menu often?
Yes, every season. Ingredients change, and so should the menu. In summer, I prefer lighter dishes. In colder months, I cook richer and more comforting food.
Seasonal cooking always feels more honest. It connects food with nature.
Exactly. Cooking should respect the rhythm of nature, not fight against it.
Would you mind showing me your kitchen? I love seeing where the magic happens.
Of course. Please come this way.
Everything is so clean and neatly arranged. Even the knives are placed perfectly.
Each tool has a place. When chefs know exactly where everything is, they can work faster and more safely.
And this station, what is prepared here?
This is where we plate the dishes. Presentation is very important. People eat with their eyes first.
I agree. The sea bass I ate tonight looked like a painting. The colors were beautiful.
Thank you. I try to balance color, texture, and shape. A plate should look alive.
Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the responsibility? One mistake can affect a customer's entire experience.
Yes, sometimes the pressure is heavy, but I remind myself why I started cooking. I want people to feel joy when they eat. That purpose gives me strength.
Have you ever had a cooking disaster?
Many times. Once, early in my career, I burned an entire tray of desserts just before service. I had to remake everything in a rush. That day taught me to stay calm even when things go wrong.
Failure is a powerful teacher.
Yes, and every chef has many failures before success.
What do you think about modern food trends? Some restaurants focus more on appearance than taste.
Trends can be fun, but flavor must always come first. Beautiful food that does not taste good is disappointing. My goal is balance, pleasing to the eye and satisfying to the palate.
Do you experiment often?
Every week. Sometimes new ideas work, sometimes they do not. But experimentation keeps cooking exciting.
Where do your ideas come from?
Memories, travel, conversations, even music. Inspiration can come from anywhere.
Your team seems very loyal. How do you maintain such strong teamwork?
Respect. I treat my staff like family. Cooking is demanding work, so we must support each other.
That positive energy is noticeable in the dining room, too. The service felt warm and sincere.
Service and cooking must work together. A great dish can feel ordinary if service is poor.
I am still thinking about that chocolate lava cake. It was one of the best I have tasted.
I am happy to hear that. That dessert requires patience and precision.
As I mentioned earlier, the only thing I would adjust is the herb salad with the fish. A bit more acidity would make it brighter.
That is excellent feedback. I appreciate honest opinions. They help me improve.
After seeing your kitchen, tasting your food, and hearing your philosophy, I understand your restaurant much better. There is real passion here.
Thank you. Cooking is not just my job, it's my life.
I look forward to writing my review. I believe many readers will be impressed.
That means a great deal to me. Thank you for taking the time to visit and share your thoughts.
I will definitely return. Next time, I want to try your seasonal tasting menu.
I will prepare something special for you.
Then it's a promise. Good night, Chef.
Good night, Miss Maya. Safe travels.
Subscribe English Paper to learn English.